This is my song, and no one can take it away. It's been so long, but now you're here to stay. And I wonder if you know what it means to find your dreams come true. And I wonder if you know what it means, what it means. And I wonder if you know what it means, what it means. And I wonder if you know what it means to find your dreams. And I wonder.
I've been waiting on this my whole life.
And I wonder.
These dreams be waking me up at night.
And I wonder.
You say I think I'm never wrong.
And I wonder.
You know what? Maybe you're right.
And I wonder if you know what it means, what it means. And I wonder if you know what it means to find your dreams. And I wonder.
And I'm back on my grind. A psychic read my lifeline, told me in my lifetime my name will help light up the Chicago skyline. And that's why I'm 7 o'clock, that's prime time. Having to watch God calling from the hotlines. Why he keep giving me hotlines? I'm a star, how could I not shine? How many ladies in the house? How many ladies in the house without a spouse? Something in your blouse got me feeling so aroused. What you about? On that independent shit, traded all for a husband and some kids. You ever wonder what it all really mean? You wonder if